Hey Melanie, hey, so here's your first tray. I wanted to get your approval. So you can see here, we've welded the top of the corner, not all the way down because there's no need, as you know, we only need to do here. And we've sanded it, you see that? We've sanded it so the hooves of your cows won't get damaged. Plus, you can barely tell that there are slight deformations here. That's from the welding of the parts on the bottom, you see? So this is all the stuff on the bottom, okay? And let's see here. Make sure, yeah, you can see that the welds are good and long. Make sure that your pieces hold on. And this was all black, and then we used a special acid to bring the stainless back to its virgin state. Again, here you can see the beautiful sanding on the corners. And oh, they haven't done this one yet. You can see what it looks like before. See, that's before. So I'll tell them to get that cleaned up, but all your corners will be like that. So that's it. So if you can just tell me, yes, Paul, I like what I see, and I'll tell them to keep going ahead with the rest of the trays. All right? Thanks, Melanie.